Hi, I'm Caitlin. I'm going to be doing a cover singing for Titanium, and I'm going to be listening to it through my headphones. You'll be able to hear it, the music of course, and a little bit of the woman behind me singing it. And this is going to be sung by Madeline Bailey, because I think how she sings it is a really beautiful way, and I sort of just want to do the same. Um, I want to first warn you that when I try singing the high parts, I'm going to epically fail because my dad right now is sleeping and I can't be loud. So I'm just going to fail and laugh. Ha. Okay. Here I go. You shut it loud, but I can't hear a word you say. Talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but all your bullets ricochet. You shoot me down, but I get up. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Fire away, fire away. Ricochet, you'll take your aim. Fire away, fire away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Turning down, but it's you who has further to fall. Ruins down, haunted love. Raise your voice, but sticks and stones may break my bones. Talking loud, not saying much. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Fly away, fly away. Ricochet, you'll take your aim. Fly away, fly away. Shoot me down, and I won't fall. I am titanium. Shoot me down, and I won't fall. I am titanium. I am titanium. I'm titanium. Hard machine guns fire up the one to run. Stone hard, the bulletproof glass. Shoot me down, and I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, and I won't fall. I am titanium. Shoot me down, and I won't fall. I am titanium. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Well, I hope you liked it. Sorry, I'm so tired. No, not really. I don't know. Okay, well, I hope you have a great day, and I might think about doing another video that doesn't suck as badly as this one did. So have a great day. I'm gonna stop bothering you now.